Today I have these three hanging signboards that I picked up at Dollar General. And I'm going to start by removing the hangers and the staples. 2 were whitewashed and 1 was stained. And I also picked up these little birdhouses also from Dollar General. I'm going to start by painting the backs of them white with Snow Owl by Wise Owl. Then I'm going to take the 2 white ones and the first birdhouse, and I'm using Elmer's wood glue and a little bit of hot glue just to hold it together while the Elmer's glue dries. And I'm going to connect the 2 white boards along the side of the birdhouses. I'm going to take my second birdhouse and do the same thing on the other end of both the white boards. Again, using some Elmer's glue and a little hot glue till the Elmer's glue dried. The hot glue just holds everything together. Then I'm going to take the stained wood and I'm going to put a little Elmer's glue along the edge, a very thin line, and I'm kind of spacing this out so I have room for the hot glue. But I always start with the Elmer's glue. And now I'm going to put the hot glue in these empty spaces. And then I'm going to sit my frame onto the stained wood board. And now I've created a box. Each side of each birdhouse has a different saying on them. One says home sweet home and enjoy the little things. And then I'm going to take some white paint and go around all the stained areas to make everything blend together. And then you have this little box that you can place around your home and put your little fun things inside. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and now our mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.